In this video, I want to teach you how to create lifestyle vlog using AI for free in minutes. The first step is head over to ChatGPT. You can screenshot the prompt and type in this prompt. I'll leave the prompt in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment, or you can just screenshot and you can just follow up and click on OK after you type it. And this is what ChatGPT have given us. As you can see, ChatGPT have given us 3 prompts, and you can see they are just being typed in, and it is very fast. Okay, and remember I told you to screenshot, or I'll leave the prompt in the description of this video. Okay, let's see the first prompt, how it leads. The first scene, it have given me 3 scenes. The first scene says washing utensil in a modern kitchen. That is our first scene, and you just copy the prompt and head over to Pika AI and click on create and type in or paste our prompt there. After that, we are going to select the size of our video. I want 16 by 9. If you want a short, you just click on 9 by 16. Image per page, I want 1, or you can create 2 if you have a free account. And then add a model, I will choose Pika at B1 and click on the blue or the purple icon there to generate our image, and you can see it is being generated. Wait just for some seconds and our image is generated, and you can see how stunning it is, how stunning it looks. Just click on the image so that you can view it and see how it looks. Okay, yeah, I think this image is stunning. It is quite good. I'll go with it. I'll just download it and store it on my device. That is what I will do. Now go back to ChatGPT. Just click on the back icon and just select the second prompt of the second scene. Copy it, head over back to Pika AI and paste it and generate our second image. Remember, you have only 3 scenes. I don't want this video to be so long. That's why I generated just a small. So after that, just click on create and give it some seconds to create your image, and you can see the image is stunning, it's beautiful. The dining table is beautiful. Okay, this is why she's cleaning the dining table. Head over back to ChatGPT and copy our that prompt. Come back to Pika AI, paste the prompt and click on generate. And you can see she's washing clothes, and the image is stunning, it's beautiful. Now what is left is just to download these images. Click on the image, click on download, wait for it to download, and it has been downloaded, and this image will be saved on your device. Click on the second image, click on download, and do that for the third image also. Okay, please give this video a like. So our next step is to animate these images, and we are going to use an app called Pika AI. Head over to it and click on image and download our first image and type in the prompt that we generated on ChatGPT. Remember those prompts? Yeah, type in those prompts. I say this app is called Pika AI, and you can download it and save it on your device, and just click on generate, and our image is being generated right now, and you can see 95% and boom, it is created. Click on the image and just you can see it is stunning, it's just good, and click on the arrow icon, share icon there, and click on download and download with a watermark, and head over back, click on image, choose our second image, and then type in the prompt of the second image given from ChatGPT. Okay, I know you're dating this. Click on create. This app gives you 60 credits per day, and one video is generated using 20 credits, so you can make up to 3 clips. And you can see our video is generated, and it is good, it is stunning, it's beautiful. And click on download and save it on your device, and head over back again. Just follow this process. Okay, and click on create, click on image, and click our that image and type in our that prompt. Okay, and click on generate, and you can see it is being generated. If you have watched this video so far, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And you can see our video is ready, and you can see she is washing clothes outside a modern house, and that is what we have. I love this generation. Click on download and save it on your device. Our next step is to edit the clips, and I'm using CapCut for this. You just add the clips one from the first clip to the second clip to the third clip and click on add. Remember, you can use any editing app of your choice, okay? But I'm using CapCut for this, and I have a free account for CapCut. Okay, and you can see that's our video. To end the watermark, to remove the watermark, you just upscale with your 2 fingers if you're using a mobile device, as I am, and your watermark will disappear on the upper side. Do that for the second clip also. Upscale it, and you can see the watermark is just disappeared. And do that for the third clip also. Just click on it, hold with your 2 fingers, and it will be disappeared. Now our second step is to add sound effects for these, so they can sound real. And to add sound effects, you just click on audio, you click on sound effects, and you type anything you want. If you're washing clothes, you click on washing clothes. If you're washing utensils, you click on cleaning utensils. If it is mopping, click on mopping, and you shall be given an audio, and you shall choose among those audio that which match your activity. Okay, just choose what is best for you, what you feel is the best. And you can see I've added my first one, and I will show you, I will leave you to watch the full video after this clip so that you can see the result I got. Okay, now add our second and your second sound effects. You just click on washing clothes, washing utensil, lapping the table, that's things like that, and then you're going to feel which sound the best or hear, and you shall just choose one of them that will look stunning with your video. Okay, if you have watched this video so far, remember to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell. And you can see I've been listening to many of them, and I'll just choose one of them that I feel is better for me. And you can see I'm almost done. You can increase the pace, you can reduce the audio, you can increase the audio. You know how CapCut works. Okay, go on and add all the audio. I said you just type in and choose what you choose what you want. Okay, and I think that is very clear. On my last video, I showed you how to do it practically. You can go and watch that video where I was showing you how to create cooking vlogs. Okay, and you add this watermark, that is the adding watermark, because you're using a free account. Then listen to your clip or the whole of it, and you come up with a calculation.